So using the Pythagorean theorem, we want to figure out, is this a right triangle? And so we should be thinking Pythagorean theorem, so a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Well, my c is always going to be my longest side, so I know that that's my 13.4. And then my a and b could be any of the other ones. So 10 squared plus 7 squared has to be equal to 13.4 squared. So when I do these in my calculator, I'm going to get 100 plus 49. Oops, sorry, not 42, 49. And then 13.4 times 13.4. You get 179.56. So when I go ahead and do this, 149, does that equal 179.56? The answer is no, so this is not a right triangle. That brings us to the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, which is theorem 8-2. So if the sum of the squares of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is equal to the square of the third side, then the triangle is a right triangle. So on the last slide, or on the last part of this, what we saw is that it does not equal a right triangle because a squared plus b squared did not equal c squared. So we can also know that that's true. So that's something to make note of, that if a squared plus b squared does not equal c squared, then ABC, triangle ABC is not a right triangle. So that's important to note. So it's important that you get that down, because we're going to use it like that all of the time.